Guys, we will learn how we can add video in our HTML web page. We will drop our YouTube video link and then the video will shown. Hi, this is us. You're watching Mr. Us channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add our YouTube video link in our HTML web page. So here you can see the code here. First of all, we are starting our HTML tag, and next we are starting our body tag, and next inside the body everything will be shown to the public. So here we are using the tag iframe. So here you can see iframe, okay, and next in the iframe we are writing our width and height. Here something is missing. Yes. So in the width and height, after width and height in the iframe tag, next we are writing our source. Source is equal to, you can see our link of YouTube app, www YouTube website, www.youtube.com. And after this we have embedded our video is, this is the video short link, and I will tell you how you can add your link here. So I am first of all copy link from YouTube. I am copying it. So we are here, guys. So we are here, and you can also see the link here. For copying link and putting it, I am going to cancel this all. So here you can see our text here. You have to remove it until HTTP. So now address is complete. So now we will play this whole. Sorry, really sorry about it. Copy, and I am pasting it in a notepad. Saving it. .html. So guys, there was a error here because we have to remove this tag ending thing like this. So after saving, the video will be open like here. Saving it. Now you can play it here. So guys, gonna see in the next video. This is how you can add your video in HTML